Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reply on Instagram message. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, tap on Messenger, scroll down and click on someone. Okay, then select your message and press and tap on reply. Just click and reply your message, then send your reply it. That's all. Okay, try another person. Press this message, tap on reply and send message. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.